Good morning again, once again. Yeah, guys, I've heard people saying they want cash for life. Cash for life pays more than nobody's business. And please, guys, when you text me, if you don't have money, don't text me, because me, the books I cannot give for free. That you must know. Rather budget. When you have money, or take the numbers that I post here. When you boom, then when you're balanced, you can just say, coach, I want to purchase the book. Some other people, that's what they do. Because, we can't keep on. Me, I'm not selling numbers. I'm predicting numbers. I'm teaching people how to make numbers. We must be clear on that. So when you text me, you're just getting the book and that's it. Or you're joining my group. I don't do this other stuff you guys call it. So please, I just wanted to specify, because some people will text you, explain to him, and then they don't understand. Okay, so this is 191. Remember, Cash for Life has so many numbers, but we're going to go this way. We say 19 plus 1 is an 18. 19 minus 1 is a 17. Okay, so we're just going to hit low numbers. Then here we have an 11. We have a 19. Which when you spin is a 16. 1. That's how you play Cash for Life. So when you say 1 minus 16, 15. 1 plus 16, 17. So meaning that 17 is our banker in Cash for Life. I don't know if it has got more than 70 numbers. If then you have to put a 71 or a 70. But I see that the banker is what? Is 17. So you can bank with 17 and get the other bankers on the side. Just play 2 numbers, 3 numbers, 2 numbers, 3 numbers. Because it also plays high numbers as well. Okay, so let's go to the second chord, which is 192. Chord 192. First thing, we have to spin it and make it 162. So now you can say here 19 plus 2 is a 21. 19 minus 2 is a 17. So 17 is our banker. And then 16 plus 2 is an 18. Minus 2 is a 14. And then here I've got a 62. In case they're going to play 62, put 62 on the side. And then here you see the 19, which means 17, 19, you can play that pair as a pair. 17, maybe put 5 rand. Okay. What else? What else did I forget? Yes, that's how you're going to play this game. Pick a banker, pay. Like in UK Fortnite, pick a banker and pay. Okay. And then let's go to the last code, which is 383. Code 383 is unspinnable. So if it is unspinnable, we're going to split and take out 38 first. Then we go to 33. Then say 38 plus 3, it's a 41. 38 minus 3 is a 30. Let me say 34. No, 35, yes. 35. And then you go down there and say, yeah, so this is what it is. And then you guys will pick up a banker. Now let me see if I can maybe do a random pairing for you. So you have got 38, I've got 33, I've got 41, I've got 35. This is Cash for Life, guys. It's a game called Cash for Life. Don't make that mistake. It is a game called Cash for Life. Then here there is a 20 as well. I forgot the 20. There is a 19 there. There is a 17. There is a 21. Okay, so let's do this. For example, we say 19 is our banker and 17. So we bank with all other numbers. We say 38 there. We say 20. We say 21. So you swap 19, 21, 17, 21. And then 19, 17. You just take these numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You play with 5 rand. Cash for Life pays so much. So yeah, guys, this is what it is. Maybe during the day, if I see, as long as you guys are watching, don't mind to post. If you guys are watching, I'll post. You see. And this Cash for Life is there in the book. I think I included it on how to do Cash for Life code and on how to break those codes. I think it is there on the book. So with 749 we are late already. I was supposed to give you a video for 749s because it did very well the other day, and I was like, missed money. Imagine 4 numbers. Guys, another thing that I need to teach you about. Let me say this as a slogan. Stop crying, but get up and try. Understand? Don't cry. Rather try. Because crying won't help. And we must always have faith in whatever we play. Don't just say, actually, let me just take a chance. No, play. Crack the code, put your pairs, and you have faith, play those numbers with faith. Because if anything you do in life without faith, it doesn't work. So whatever you do, put faith. Thank you very much.